If you could merge two different animals to create the ultimate animal, which two animals would it be, and what would it produce?
Yeah.
Would you not go for like a perfect pet of a cat and a dog?
Cats suck. Fuck the cat. No. We already did this last time. Assholes.
You can have a dog and a horse. Although that's probably something like a Pyrenees mountain dog already.
What is it more perfect than a dog, though? Why fuck
Dog and
with
a horse already exist.
They're perfect companions.
Exactly.
Or maybe they could do with a horn.
You're trying to make a unicorn there, are you?
I was actually trying to think of it like maybe a narwhal on a horse, and then you'd have a fucking unicorn.
Yeah.
A semi-aquatic unicorn.
Well,
You'd be-
given what we learned about narwhal horns the other day, it might be.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Well, shit. I got nothing.
Yeah. Mix two animals together.
Right.
A dragon
actually-
and a unicorn. Yeah.
Actually, a cat with a dog isn't a bad idea, but what I'd like to do is basically keep it a dog, but give it the hygiene habits of a cat.
Would it not get the arrogance with it?
Well, it might, but I doubt it.
You don't screw with what is already perfect. You understand that God made dogs perfect, right?
If he made anything at all, that's what he did. That's the one good thing.
The one good thing.
Uh-huh.
That and bacon.
Right. Math Pig wants a man bear pig. I don't think he's appreciated. That's 3 animals.
See, if you had said 3, I could have done it maybe.
Go on, what would you do for 3?
Fuck you. Maybe.
She did say maybe.
Anyway, I'm done.
You're done. Morton reckons a dragon and a unicorn. I've seen dragons with horns. What would a dragon with a unicorn be that's not just a dragon?
And how is that fair? You said animals, you didn't say like mystical animals.
Yeah.
Didn't exist.
Mythical animals are still animals.
Mythical, whatever the fuck. No, that doesn't count.
Right, Morton, you're disqualified. Right, Math Pig says a dog and a giraffe. I can't see anything good coming from that. A dog that won't go through your door.
Yeah. Or a giraffe that cocks its leg everywhere.
It marks its territory by pissing on the top of the tree.
Yeah.
No, that wouldn't work.
Hey, it's raining. Oh no, it's just the giraffe.
They have they have very long legs too.
Not as long, not like treetop long.
Depends on the tree. I like that.
Every goddamn thing I say.
You ever watch the dog cock its leg? They kind of pee up first.
Have you seen a bear do it up a tree? Upside down.
I can't think of 2 animals that I would want together.
Apparently pigs are proof of God. What miracle that an animal that eats trash produces pork, ham and bacon. Can't disagree. A rhino and a crocodile. A rhinodile. And it sounds like something to really piss people off that go down by the river. Or scare the crap out of them. One way or another. Right. We shall take them.
Mosquito and a piranha?
A what?
Mosquito and a piranha.
Oh,
So a flying piranha is what you're after there.
A flying piranha.
Or a piranha the size of a mosquito, which would be even more horrifying.
Wouldn't that give us grey goo? That's basically nano.
Trying to make a good animal here, Jen. Jeez.
I know, it's the perfect animal we're
Oh,
trying
no,
to
not
make.
a cassowary and a tiger. Nothing. Oh, that'd be a violent bastard.
I was just thinking. No, I was going to be sentimental, and I won't be.
Oh, I got it.
Go on.
I got it. A bear and a honey badger as a form of protection.
You see, I think you'd need 3 for that.
Oh,
I think you'd need a bear, a honey badger, and a dog, so it doesn't
Yeah.
fucking eat you.
Yeah.
Okay for the dog.
Yeah, Tasmanian devil and a honey badger.
Not big enough though.
I don't actually know what a Tasmanian devil looks like. In my head, it looks like it's got 2 legs and it's kind of wedge shaped with arms and a head.
Not him.
They're closer to looking like a cat.
Why are the cartoons drawn like that?
I don't know, because they didn't know what they looked like. They just decided. I mean, fuck, rabbits don't look like Bugs Bunny.
They do.
No.
They have the ears.
Yeah, they have ears
And
a
feet.
tail.
Well, a Tasmanian devil has eyes and hands.
Exactly. Right.
Doesn't make them the same, Dave.
It does.